In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the Gamma app logo from your presentation quickly and cleanly without getting stuck doing extra manual work. This is a simple method if you've created a deck in Gamma and want to remove the branding before sharing it with clients, classmates, or your audience. We'll export the presentation, bring it into Canva, delete the Gamma logo from each slide, and then download the final version back to your computer. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Gamma account and open the presentation that you want to clean up. Once your presentation is open, look for the export option and download it as a PPTX file. This is important because Canva works very well with PowerPoint files and it makes editing much easier than trying to recreate the whole presentation from scratch. After the download finishes, go to Canva and create a new presentation design. You can choose a blank presentation or any presentation layout that works best for your project. Now, upload the PowerPoint file you just downloaded from Gamma. Canva will import the slides and convert them so you can edit each slide individually. Once the presentation loads in Canva, go through the slides one by one and click on the Gamma logo. In most cases, the logo will be placed in the corner or in a consistent location across the slides, so it should be easy to find. After selecting the logo, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. Repeat this on every slide where the logo appears until the entire presentation is clean and branding free. Take your time here and check each slide height carefully so you don't leave any leftover marks or unwanted elements behind. If you notice anything else that came over during the import process, you can clean that up at the same time to make your deck look more professional. Once you're happy with the final result, download your clean presentation back to your computer. Canva will let you export it as a PPTX file if you want to keep editing it later in PowerPoint, or as a PDF if you want a polished version ready to share immediately. And that's it! You've successfully removed the Gamma app logo from your presentation and saved a clean final copy. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step app guides just like this one.